Your PC might feel slow, but the truth is, it's not always your hardware's fault. Windows itself hides features that secretly drain performance, eat memory, and slow your startup times. You don't need to upgrade your graphics card or buy more RAM to get better speed. Most of the improvement comes from using what's already built in. Today, we're going over 5 hidden Windows settings that make your PC faster. Plus, one bonus trick at the end that most people don't even know exists. These are safe, built-in tweaks. No sketchy software, no command line hacks. Let's start with something that looks small but makes a big difference. Visual effects. Windows adds all these nice little animations. Fading menus, sliding windows, and shadows under text. They look great, but they also take up CPU and GPU power every single time you move, open, or close something. To fix it, open the Start menu, search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Then, select Adjust for best performance. All those fancy effects will disappear instantly, and you'll notice menus open faster, switching between apps feels instant, and your system just reacts smoother overall. If you still want it to look decent, recheck the box for smooth edges of screen fonts. That one keeps your text looking crisp while keeping your PC snappy. For low-end systems or older laptops, this setting alone can boost responsiveness more than you'd expect. It's not magic, it's just Windows finally getting out of its own way. Next up, startup apps. When you turn on your PC, a ton of background programs launch automatically. Discord, Spotify, Steam, Adobe, even game launchers you don't need right away. Each one adds seconds, sometimes minutes, to your startup time. And worse, they sit in your RAM, using resources while you're trying to game or edit. To fix it, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then click Startup Apps. Go down the list and disable anything you don't absolutely need at startup. It's crazy how much faster your system boots when it isn't trying to open 20 different programs before you even see your desktop. If you're on Windows 11, you can also go to Settings, Arrow, Apps, Arrow, Startup, which gives you a cleaner layout. This one tweak doesn't just speed up boot time, it also keeps your background processes lighter, meaning more power for the apps that actually matter. Now, this next one is a big deal. Power plan settings. Windows ships in balanced mode, which tries to save energy by limiting how hard your CPU and GPU can work. Sounds efficient, right? But it's a hidden bottleneck. To unlock your full performance, open Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options, and switch to High Performance. If you want to go even further, you can enable Ultimate Performance Mode. To do that, open Command Prompt as Administrator and type this code. Hit Enter, and now you'll see Ultimate Performance as a new option. Enable that, and now Windows won't throttle your CPU when you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. It's one of those things you'll feel instantly. Games run smoother, rendering is faster, and the system just feels more alive. It's like taking your PC out of eco mode, because that's exactly what it is. Number 4. Background apps. Windows is constantly running little background services, syncing data, checking notifications, updating apps you never open. To stop that, open Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Toggle off Let Apps Run in the Background. Or, if you want more control, disable specific ones you never use, like Weather, Xbox Game Bar, or Microsoft News. This reduces background CPU usage and also saves battery if you're on a laptop. You'll also notice fewer random spikes in fan noise. That's Windows doing less behind the scenes. On Windows 11, Microsoft hid this under System, Power and Battery, Background Activity. Go there and limit background usage for unnecessary apps. It's simple. Fewer apps running silently means more resources for what you actually care about. 5th, storage sense and temp files. Every time you install, open, or update apps, Windows stores temporary files, cache, logs, installer leftovers. Over time, that can stack up to gigabytes of junk slowing down your drive. To fix it, go to Settings, System, Storage. Enable Storage Sense, and click Configure Now. Turn on Automatic Cleanup, and choose how often it clears temporary files. Once a week is perfect. Then, click Temporary Files, and manually remove old Windows Update files, logs, and cache. If you've never done this before, you might recover 10 to 20 gigabytes of space instantly. This helps Windows boot faster, open files quicker, and keeps your SSD or HDD in better shape long term. Less clutter equals faster access. Now here's a bonus tip that most people overlook. Disable indexing on drives that don't need it. Indexing constantly scans your files to make search faster, but it also uses CPU and disk activity in the background. Right-click on a drive in this PC, choose Properties, and uncheck Allow files on this drive to have contents indexed. Hit OK, Apply it to subfolders and files, and you're done. On SSDs, the difference is subtle, but on slower hard drives, you'll definitely notice things run smoother, especially if you're multitasking or gaming. And there you go, 5 hidden Windows settings plus a bonus that can instantly make your PC faster, smoother, and more efficient, without spending a dime. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to like and subscribe, where we make tech simple. More guides, upgrades, and hidden tricks are coming soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.